Good Monday morning. Hopefully this isn't too blurry. There's a lot of overcast this morning. Although I can see through the clouds that it looks like the mornings are starting to get a little more light. Before you know it, it's going to be 110 degrees at 6 a.m. Lunchtime. Kim made this dill chicken something or other in the crock pot yesterday, and it looks great. Well, I'm heading home, and the clouds are thick. Got a little blue sky up there. Got some raindrops coming down. It was a busy day at the office today. You can hear that rain. It's really coming down now. Holy cow. Just like across the street, and now there's a whole bunch of rain. That's crazy. Check that. I'm going to the gym tonight. Kim and I both are. Now the sun is coming out. I don't know, maybe you can tell that we don't get a lot of rain here, because when it rains I'm always kind of excited. I always have to show it. Now. And they got a little rain up on this side of town. Look at that river. It's a lot of water. The park over by my house, that's kind of a retention pond for when it rains, but look at all the geese that are in there. I'm looking at you. That's crazy. So dark in here.
It's dark. How are you?
Good.
Good. Lots of rain.
Oh, I know. It must have just come down like all at once, because it was just flowing out there. Yeah, look at that. I gotta scrub that pool.
What? Okay, so we're going to Orange Theory. Go figure. Anyway, it's raining out, so we're hoping to have a good workout. Because I'd rather be at home in my pajamas, rolled up with the blanket, the fireplace on, watching a movie, or reading my book. But no, I'm going to go work out with my husband.
I think that was Kim's first ever narration of this channel.
And it was bad, I'm sure.
It was perfect.
No, thank you, honey.
So expect to see more of this as she gets used to it and starts taking the camera out of my hand.
Okay. Bye.
All right, got back from the gym, and we watched an episode of The Mick, which the first episode was funny. It progressively gets less funny as we go, so we probably won't watch that anymore. But then we also watch from the travel channel called The Booze Traveler. It's about a guy that goes all over the world trying different beers and learning the history of it and everything. And that's pretty cool. That's a fun show to watch. This one was about the Mississippi River, and they ended up in Minnesota, which is where I'm from. So that was kind of a fun episode to watch. But it's late now, and I've got to get to bed. Andrew's out riding. It's raining, and so I'm going to worry about that for a little bit, but hopefully he gets home pretty soon. Anyway, we will talk to you tomorrow.
Thanks for watching this video. If you like the Chris experience, please hit that like and subscribe button.